Hello guys, in this video we are diving into one of the most powerful AI tools out there, Chat GPT. You've been probably living under a rock if you haven't heard of Chat GPT by now. But what can Chat GPT actually do? Is it just a chatbot or there is more to it? Now let's find out. Answering questions and information retrieval. Chat GPT can provide in-depth answers to questions, explain complex concepts, or summarize information. It may not always be 100% accurate, just remember to double check for accuracy. You could use ChatGPT as a research assistant to instantly get answers or learn new concepts. Image generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate images based on prompts, and the results are pretty impressive. And you can see the result right here. Now, there is room for improvement, but this is pretty decent. We can also make modifications by typing in our prompt to maybe remove something or add something to our image. We can also use ChatGPT to write essays, articles, emails, blog posts, and more. You can use this for brainstorming ideas for your next article or blog post. Code assistance and debugging. ChatGPT can also help with coding, write code snippets, and even debug your code. Let's try this out. It is an excellent tool for both beginners and professional developers looking for quick solutions or suggestions on their projects. Creative writing and storytelling. ChatGPT can also help write stories, poetry, and even generate creative dialogue. Let's write a short story about a detective solving a mystery in space. Translation and language learning. ChatGPT can help translate text and assist with learning new languages. You can see over 50 languages are supported. It can also explain grammar rules and sentence structures for language learners. Business ideas and brainstorming. ChatGPT can help you generate business ideas, names, and even create business plans and logo. Give me 5 business ideas for a tech startup in 2025. Now, this may not be entirely perfect, but you can take ideas from here and then adjust it according to your needs. It is a great tool for entrepreneurs looking for inspiration or direction in their business journey. Personal development. ChatGPT can act as a personal coach, helping with setting goals, forming habits, and motivations. Let's create a 30 days workout routine. We can use ChatGPT to create actionable to-do lists or break down long-term goals into achievable steps. This is a good start for someone that is actually interested. You can adjust this according to your needs. Custom workflow and automations. ChatGPT can integrate with other tools to help automate tasks and build workflows. ChatGPT can integrate with tools like Canvas, Zapier, or Airtable for automated tasks. Entertainment and fun. ChatGPT can create jokes, trivia questions, and even replay characters for entertainment. You can also use it to come up with fun dialogue for games or creative projects. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the amazing things you can do with ChatGPT. I hope you learned something new and found some cool features to try out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so you never miss out on new uploads. Do you have any favorite ChatGPT feature or another tool you would want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments below and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.